Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your HTC Desire 20 Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings, tap on the connected devices and go for the connection preferences. Here we have to go for the printing and go for the default print service. And here we got our printer and it connects automatically to our smartphone. But if you got any problems and your smartphone cannot find your printer, you have to go back, use the add service function, and then you have to get the plugin from the company of your printer. So in my case I take this one. Now just wait. Click open. And right now we have to move for the steps. And right now we can just go back, open the background apps and just move for the printing. Here you have to use the HP print service and our printer is connected one more time. So right now if you want to print something, you have to go for that thing that you want to print. So I'm going for this downloaded picture of Barry Allen, and then click here and use the plugin of your printer. So I'm going for the HP print service and I accept all of this stuff. Click start. Okay, I don't want to show. And there's my printer. So just tap on it, and as you can see right now, when we tap on this button, we are going to print this picture. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.